Hello. Um, I am doing my assignment. I'm learning also what to do tonight at 11:59. The classic. And I'm trying to learn this, so I thought I would live stream my process of learning it. I'm learning how to do basic motion. We'll see how good. I'm also going to be watching a video while I'm doing that. It's basically my professor's video. And I'll see how good I do. And yeah, I already did the model. I just need to record the motion. So this is, wait a minute, here, ah, here. So I need to do it slowly, like that. Yeah. So I guess what I need to do is record that. I will not be doing, this is not a tutorial whatsoever. I'll be totally honest with you guys. Is basically me trying to figure this out. I would have given you guys a tutorial before because I know how to do all of the steps except for basic motions. I did follow my professor while she was doing this. I can literally make a, here, let me save, rebuild. Okay, we're good. I can make you guys a tutorial on how to do this. Like I can redo it all. It took me a long time, I bet. I wasn't really consistent. I got up to eat halfway through. But I can make a tutorial, maybe like a live stream tutorial, and that's it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be watching my professor do this, and then I'll be doing it here. So, okay. The professor's just showing us some, I wish I could just show you guys the video. She's just showing us some videos from her dynamic class. Oh, that makes sense. I'll just rewatch this another time. I just want to get this assignment done with. So let's do here. I just skipped through it. Dynamics is just like physics. The picture she just showed us is like, or the video she just showed us is basically physics. It's like it was showing like the velocity of the ball going like from here to here. I'm not really excited for that class. Okay, well let's just finish CAD while we can, while we still can survive. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add a motor. This is a graph. Motion of. Okay, so there is like three choices. Animation, which is like very basic. Basic motion, which is like I guess you can also use to find like springs, gravity, motors, and motion analysis. I guess that's what helps you like put it into data and have numerical results. I'm guessing all of this. So yeah. All right, we're doing motion analysis. We're doing motor. Wait, is that motor? Wait, okay, that happened to. Oh, here. Okay. So we're gonna use rotary motor. Okay. So it has this arrow, so it's gonna show us, because of this arrow, it's gonna show us like the motion, so it's gonna like rotate like this. Okay, bet. Oh wait, we can choose the speed. Okay, constant speed, distance, oscillating, segment, data point, expression, servo moto. Wait, so for this servo motor, if we were to like use an Android and then put a servo motor, because I want to make a prosthetic hand. Oh, that should. If I want to make a prosthetic hand, and that's what I'm doing for my final project. I was like, I'm gonna make a prosthetic hand, and when I was like, I was using my inspiration from Pinterest. Crucify me. Anyways, what I saw was that people were putting like servo motors to be able to flex the fingers, but other people were using strings to be able to flex the fingers, and I didn't know which one I wanted to do. Honestly, I still don't know. So yeah, so we'll see what I want to do. So wait, let me. All right, so let's try that. Okay, 10 RPM because 100 is too much. All right, we're gonna say okay to that, and that's all we need to do. That's what she said in the video. Okay, so it added a rotary motor right over here. Okay, it's gonna run the motor for 5, so 4, 6, 7. Okay, that I should not be doing that. Here's checking the life. Sorry. This is so lame. You guys can barely hear it, but you guys can hear it. It was pretty loud. Okay. Okay, so we want 1 revolution instead of 10 revolutions per minute. So let's try that. I'm gonna change it to 6. Alright, we're gonna let calculate. Okay, it stops automatically. Okay, play it. Okay, this is a playback speed. Something like that. or something like this. Okay, that's super slow. I'm just gonna stop here.
Yeah, bitch. I look, he chose someone that I didn't want, but he's fine.
Alright, that was literally motion analysis.
Please, please, nah. I was trying to kill it before you got. Okay. Yeah, that didn't work. Let's put that in front of tower. It's kind of dog shit, but it works. Meow. Meow. No. No. Please, no. Oh, well, that's pretty fucking great. Oh, what's it bothering you? Get out of my team. I'm a recycling butchie.
Okay, at this point she's just yapping.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a Who's a Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Nah, bro. I didn't talk about that.
Oh, so we can change the properties. So if I were to press this one right over here, and then you could change the frames per second. So it is 25 frames per second. I mean, it's moving pretty smoothly for me. Ah, I can't easily just not do any changes.
Yo.
But I think it's pretty smooth for me right over here. So I'll just do that. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like this.
Trying to get me choose. Dumbass. That's the wrong tower, bro. Since when is that good, nigga? Nigga, nigga, nigga. Let's remove that. Let's remove the shield. Nice. Now keep on running, nigga.
Apologies, gang. We're back. All right. I just had to deal with something. I need to open back the video. It's just right. Look, you wish she just made tutorial videos instead of. Okay, these are basically Zoom meetings that she just like records. I mean, I do attend the views of Zoom, but I'll be totally honest, she goes in a faster pace than I would. I mean, she's kind of an expert. So I literally like fall behind during class. So that's why I just like watching them at my own pace. Anyways, chocolate, because I will be needing it. Anyways, I mean this is due tonight and I'm almost done. I just need to do the drawing. Fuck. I just need to do the drawing. Here. It melted. I had that in the freezer because I like putting my Kinder Bruno in the freezer and eating it like ice cream. But it already melted.
Maybe they were just out of elixir. You in the dragon? Bro, put Mega Knight on the right and the left. Put Mega Knight on the left and I'll put Pekka on the left. Save up. Ready?
Okay, MP4. So basically what she's saying, that's actually really bad. She says, when SolidWorks saves, okay, so she's basically saying when SolidWorks saves the video for this, it saves all this white space as well, like even the stuff around here. So we're basically gonna mess with the ratio, so we just get this part, right over here, just this. So, how do you even know? Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's actually crazy worked out.
Oh no. I think I did it wrong. Okay, we save. I'm changing it to, because then my professor can see it. Then unclick this, and then I'll press 900. Okay, you see? It removed a lot of stuff. And then maybe, I mean that was 500, so maybe 300?
Next time you put poison, make sure you hit the elixir thing.
Is this even, wait, maybe I can zoom in, right, like this, and then do, okay, it zoomed out, so it doesn't really, it doesn't really matter.
It's okay.
So, whatever. Wait, why is it not doing that? Here, let's try to, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
That was amazing.
Honestly, this professor kind of marks that down for like anything. I think she finds an excuse to mark me down.
Yeah.
Not really, but she's quite picky with her assignments. Here, I'm gonna see. I don't. Wait, can I make this smaller? Let me try. 700. I mean, I'll just take it as is. Okay, we're gonna decrease the frames per second to Oh no, we're gonna increase it to 15. I should probably not be pressing enter. Wait,
Rage. Click on the sage. Page. Click on the rage.
save.
Cake.
Yes, let's replace whatever you have.
Nigger.
Okay, it's recording.
Check. I don't know what the fuck. Let's put King back here. Nice. Get this fucking dragon out of this game. Holy.
Okay, let's check it. I should have a video here. Let's watch it, guys. Let's watch the video. The resolution is so bad. Oh my god, the resolution is so bad. I don't know if she'll accept that. Let's see how it looks on hers. Oh no, her resolution is so much better than mine. Will I be able to get it looking any better? Maybe I can go. Maybe I can go 500 here. Now let's replace that. Here it's saving. Alright. Ah, I was watching Ludwig live streams because I like his live streams. This is. I mean, they're pretty sure. I don't know what to tell you. But I generally do not know how she got hers to look like that. I should honestly have put a video so you guys can also watch it. Alright. I don't know why. How about if I try 400? Will that make a difference? That was a bad choice. It was a bad choice in my part. I still have to make the drawing. I'm actually in a good time frame. This is what my professor does. She says as long as I submit, it's due at 11:49. But as long as I submit it before like 5 a.m., I'm okay. Like she won't put like late credits on it. So sometimes that's what I do. I just procrastinate to the point where I just submit it at like 2 a.m. in the morning. But I don't want that to be a habit from me, because I low-key love to sleep. If I change this, will it... Okay, that makes more sense. Here, let's try 200. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, 300 was good. So let's do 3. Why am I not able to do 2? Here, let's try 100. My cat is coming. Actually, I think the bigger the better. Here, let's try 400. Oh, I like the 300. Let's stick with that. 15. Alright, let's save. Alright, it should be safe. Let's check it. Me and you together. Let's check this or whatever. The resolution is so freaking bad. I don't even think it's the problem with the with it. Is there a way to like get the resolution? Maybe enter properties. Maybe I'll do more frames per second. Make it look better. Uh, I'll put 50. We'll see how good that goes. Maybe that's what's wrong. Okay, so we're gonna save this to okay, and then we're gonna do 400 to 300, and then we have frame per second. We have 15 frames per second. and then save, and then yes. Well, I'm actually spending too much time on this part because I just don't like the resolution. Okay, let's try this one more time. You know what, this is as good as my professor's gonna get it. Like, yeah. Okay. I also need to still create the drawing, and I have to other assignments I have to do today.
But get ready, we're getting attacked. Offended.
I'm not excited for this part. Okay, guys, let's do the drawing together really quick. So, wait, let me save this because I haven't saved it. Yeah, rebuild. Um, Drawing. Let's do this together, guys. I also have to have it do a bill of material.
It's always like that. It's like he always like this to them because like there's no one like waiting for it anymore. So they're just like, alright, ready?
Here, let me put her on 2x because.
Oh, the archers, the archers, the archers, and the archers. I fucking hate archers.
Okay,
They
so
want
we're
so
gonna create
much.
a drawing
Jesus Christ.
for this.
So
We're
like,
gonna do Scotch yoke.
oh, this knight is about to die.
Alright, and we're gonna do isometric view, basically. Alright, so we have it extended like that. And then I want the edges to be shaded. Okay, so I want extended, exploded view, like this one, and I also want collapse view. So I want to move this actually, because I still need to put. I don't know why it's not moving with me. Anyways, let's put this again. Right. Also isometric, I believe. I almost forgot.
69? Yeah, they're so fried. We should start attacking on the other side. Yeah, here, put it, put it. I'm gonna put this guy. Explode with that.
Okay, It's already exploded. Um, yeah, that's good. And then we have to do it like that. Okay. So basically, a little tutorial. I'll probably crop this in my and right over. I'll actually delete it.
Fucking.
Yes. Okay, so basically what I did is that I pressed model view, and then this is the assembly that I created. So basically I do press that one, and then you press this little button right over here, and then I want to do isometric view. So I'm gonna just press isometric. I also want this in the solid lines instead of, because I don't want invisible lines. I want like it to be solid. Hopefully it comes out as symmetric. Alright, if you want an exploded view, you press right click and then you press show exploded state. Just this one. And then it will do that. Uh, I'm just having a difficult. I don't know why.
What am I supposed to do, man? I have zero fucking elixir.
Oh, here.
It's gonna take. He's been talking on the phone. He's like,
It's not
hey,
working.
I'm
Give me
gonna
a
call
minute.
Yusuf, and
Here.
he's like,
Then
oh,
bring it down like that.
the whole gremlin.
Um, and then also want
The
to
gremlin. That's what he said. A
also want to
gremlin.
do a view for an isometric
He
but
was like,
collapse view together. So we're gonna do that And then we're gonna press isometric again. We also have other views, so if you want front view, top view, bottom view, right, left, and I think this one is like a side view. But we want isometric. I want isometric at least. And I want it to be solid lines, just like that. And I have a collapse view. You can also alter the scale, because sometimes I do that, because I don't like, so use custom scales, and then, but if you want to do the scales, if you want to do the scales, you need to make sure that they are identical, because you can't have this like 1/8 and this one 1/4, unless it is like an axle view or something like that. And then yeah, the scale can be a little bit off, but then you also have to like write it on the side. But so if I'm gonna make this, I usually customize it. So let's say I want it a little bit bigger. No, I'm just gonna make it 3 here. I'm also gonna make this one 3, so I'm gonna press on that, use custom. Both of them have to be like each other. But yeah. Okay, just like this. Also, it is important. I think I'm gonna do this off of the live stream, because then I'll have to put my full name and my student ID. I mean, if you want to do my homework, you're always welcome to sign in to my accounts and do my homework. But yeah, we're not doing that on here. But I still need to do it because she marks down points for this. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna put this. Okay, so we're gonna put the bill of materials. So we're gonna do. I totally forgot. I literally had an exam for all of these and I just forgot. Okay. Insert, okay, and then tables. And you're gonna do tables. Bill of materials. Press that. Alright. And then we're gonna press OK. And then we're gonna put that there. I'm gonna put this one right. Okay, base should have had crank. Okay. I know what the problem is. Gonna come here. Actually, I should probably save this. I'm gonna save this right now. Save all. Make sure to save your work while you go, because I had so many instances where SolidWorks lagged with me and it literally deleted. Like one time I was so close. I spent 2 hours doing this thing. All right. And I was so close to, it was Saturday night. All right. I spent my Saturday afternoonish finishing it. I was like, hey, after I'm done, I'm going to just chill. I'm going to hang out. And then it like deleted. Like I pressed Control S to save the things, and then it deleted while it was trying to save. It just froze and like, all right. Okay, yoke, base, and crane. Okay, I know what the problem is. Uh, so, so yeah, make sure you save your stuff. Once I started doing something, I just save. Cause then everything was deleted, everything was gone. I had to restart, and I hated it. But yeah, you guys might be asking, why do I mean, this is not even a bill. This is not even materials. I need to delete this. Delete, delete table? Fuck, no. I don't know why I did that. Delete, insert, right column here. And then you press, god damn, I forgot. Let's go back. Here, I'm gonna insert a column. Alright, so it's gonna be, shit. Let me delete that. This column. Let me insert a column. I guess we're gonna keep the description so we can have cause I found this, I got the rods what did she call it? I have it right over here. I think I still have it open. I got them from McMaster Claire Car. Is that how you say it? Anyways, here, let's press this right over here. Select, no, insert, insert, column to the right, and then we do custom. Okay, we press that, and then we're supposed to have materials. Okay, I know what's going on. I mean, what else is gonna be wrong? I shouldn't be pressing that. So let's say I press on crane. So you press this. So basically, it's not reading the material. I have it here. I have stainless steel right over here. But it's not reading it, so I press that. And then I press property name. I press material. Then I say property. It should have it automatically. I don't know why it's acting like that. Property. Oh, SW materials. Alright, and then you say okay. And that's it. And then I think it should fix that problem. But then I have to do it for all of them. Because, okay, I'm going to delete this, and then we'll see how it goes. No, I don't want to delete the whole thing. I'm going to delete the column, so right click, delete, not the table, but the column. Alright? And then we're going to press right click, insert, right column, and then it's property, custom property, and then I couldn't see it before. Here, material. Alright? And because I added the crank, it did that. Alright. But then I have to do it for the base and the yoke. So I'm going to do that right now. Here, the yoke. And we can just press it like that. And then materials. And then you press this one too. And you press materials. And then press OK. And then we're going to do the same thing for the base. Do I have to open? I have the base open here. Same thing. Alright, that works. And then when we come back, I have too many SolidWorks files open. Should automatically put them in. Yeah, here. They're all stainless steel, so it works out. And then we have to do the balloons. I usually just do the balloons manually because SolidWorks doesn't do it correctly for me, and I just really how did she do it? Uh, she did it a particular way. I don't like how SolidWorks does the balloons, so I just do it manually because it makes them look neater and it works. So yeah. Okay, she did the same thing that I did. I forgot to save the other crap because I mean they did well. Here, I'm gonna save these really quick. I mean, let's go back. Sorry, I'm switching between all of these stuff. So I'm just saving this. I mean, this is art. Okay. What's wrong? I'm trying to get to the drawing. Okay. She's just doing it such a lengthy way. Okay, we don't need to do all that. I mean, I already had it all open, so that's why. she's opening the long pen. Alright, so she went to, this is the stuff that we got from, uh, what's his name? Mike, Mike Caster. Alright, so I guess she wants us to change the description of it to indicate that we got it from a caster. So if we were to send it to manufacturers, they would know, like, hey, we should purchase this part from my casters. Okay, so this is how she wants us to do it. So, okay, McCaster car. Mass. McCaster car. Alright, and then it's okay, save. Alright, I'm gonna save this too. And then I have to do it for the small rod. I did it for the big rod, small rod. So there's another way that she's doing it too, I think. No. I think she enters. She. I don't even know how she does it. She does something kind of. Oh, she enters files. She goes down properties. That's another way you can do it. It's literally right here. So I'm just doing that. I think it literally brings you to the same place. No. Yeah, it literally just brings you to the same place. So it doesn't matter. So I just press up here and I do it up here. My professor, I was like, wait, she's not doing the same thing, but she's basically doing the same thing as I am. So also this pin, so this pins that I got, the two pins that I put in this assembly are both from um, McMaster. I'll give you guys, I can do a little tutorial how to get the stuff if you want to. Are you save? We'll see how it looks on our, here. We got our material, we also got a description for the McCaster. I guess this is basically do the same thing. Oh, we need to create a text on the yoke. Okay, we're opening the yoke. I think. Alright, so we're gonna engrave our names. We're gonna do extruded cut. And then do like that. There's a way to do it. Oh, so SolidWorks does not have it. So we're gonna just search up text. Alright. Here, I'll put my first name. You guys will get to see my first name. Here. My professor put her first and last name. You know what? What are you gonna do? Find my Instagram? It's private anyways. Maybe. I mean, yes. Wait. Wait, why does it look like that? Oh no! Oh no, I hope she doesn't fall. Alright, let's try that again. Okay. just like that. And then no, 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 no. Can we can we move this?
Yo, I'm gonna lock in with study.
Oh no.
Not on power for like an hour.
Okay. Okay. So that is super cool. All right. Let's exit sketch. So it's gonna be engraved in it. I could do mid plane, so it's not. Oh no, it's not gonna go. Can I just do blind? Okay, so I'm gonna do blind, and then you gotta do it because the depth is 0.250 2.5. So I'm just gonna put 0. No, 0.02.5. Okay, so very shallow. I'm gonna save it now. I put it. I think it's in black. Ah, she'll see it, right? Can you guys wait? Actually, top top of view here. Do you guys see it, or should I change the font? Wait, let me see. You know what? She'll see it. It's very. I should have changed the color, but it's okay. Technically, I can change the color of the piece itself. I low-key really like the color with the assembly, so I'm just gonna keep it. Wait, does it change? Okay, I can see it.
I believe so. It's in Japan and they're all drifting and shit. It's live action, so it's not animation.
I still need to make balloons. Alright, this is gonna be balloon number 1. This is gonna be balloon number 2. Why does it put 4? It's balloon number 3. Okay, I'm gonna just...
But whoever's opening that fucking video, bro, I'm gonna touch the fuck out of you, bro.
Can I put this here?
Or close the fucking video.
Okay, here. Let's press that. And then number text. I'm gonna put text. And then I'm gonna put number 2. I don't think she shows us how she does her balloon. Okay, she just...
If you want, you can share your screen and then show you mine. So,
Okay, I'm almost done. I just need to do the balloons. So it's 2 done. You know what? She can mark me down for this if I do it wrong. I really... You know when you just like... You just like don't know what you're doing anymore. This is like due to... You know what? This is like the first time in a while I actually finished this before the due date. Which is like 2 hours from now. Here, my cat is playing with my earbuds. Okay, so we can do that. Hey kitty, stop it. Stop it. Alright, so I'm just numbering them. All my numbers are wrong. It's doing it from the number of the text, but I'm trying to create it from 1 to, this is piece 1, piece 2, piece 3, piece 4, piece 5. And this is piece 4. And then this one, piece, no, here. And then know why it's okay.
Which one?
Piece 5. This last piece. Oh, one. Okay. Yeah, and also to do that one, you basically, because if you want to edit the sheet form, you press that and then you edit it. But don't worry, it's not gone. I mean, you guys already know my name. Here. So you just press here, my name. Alright. Khalifa. And this part, you just put the name of the part, which is, for me, this name of this part is Skoke Yoke Mechanism. Stoke. Stoke. I'm gonna put my student ID later. Stoke Yoke Mechanism. Alright, and then I don't need this, so I'm just gonna delete it. Alright. And then part number, I usually just put the part number 00, maybe like 01 if I want to get fancy. Today's date is the 11th of 2025. I bet when I grow old and I see this video again, I'll cringe, but it's okay. I won't cringe today. But yeah. This is what's up. I also created the video. Um, I will show you guys, why not? I'll show you guys McMaster. I bet a lot of you guys already know it that are watching it, honestly. Um, but McMaster is basically where you can get pins and screws and all that stuff. Such as these nuts, washers, spacers, pins, nails. Like for instance, I don't know, like the washers would be really nice because instead of me making washers, I can just use a standard washer. I mean, the hex nut is pretty cool. And then you guys just can find a washer within the same size. I mean, there's like this one right over here. And then you can press on one of this. I mean, they can make it, you can order it. But you can also just download the SolidWorks file, like just like this, and then use it yourself. So that's something really cool about this. But yeah, I just finished the assignment. I don't think I was on live too long. Uh, so yeah, I might be doing more. I might be doing more of these type videos or live streams, I guess, of me doing SolidWorks and CAD. Because I'm gonna be studying for. I mean, I don't need to. I don't want to say I don't need much studying, but I'm gonna do the SolidWorks Associate one. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing the SolidWorks Associate one. I think I'm pretty prepared for it. I just might be doing those practice tests. I already did it. Already did it once. I think I might do it one more time, just so like I get solid, like get the foundations going in. And also when I did it the first time, I did it at um I did it at like 1 a.m. in the morning, and I was so exhausted. And for some reason, my density was not getting up correctly. I feel like if I do it again when I'm not like half dead asleep and been awake for like 20 hours, I'd be able to do it night quite better. So yeah, I might actually do a live stream of that, of me doing the CAD Associate practice exam, and then see how well I do. Um, but yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna finish. I'm basically what we did. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna down. Wait, let me save it right now, cause I'm too paranoid to. This cannot be saved within. What do you mean this? Like, sure, we'll see how that goes. Is it because yeah? Okay. Why is this? Why is it doing that? Wait, let me figure this out with you. It literally removed my yoke. Okay, the yoke is still here. Oh God. Oh God, this sucks. Cause I'm too lazy to figure this out. Let's figure this out. I was about to end the live stream until something wrong happened. It's okay. It's okay, Riley. Yeah, enjoy. All right. laugh through the pain, or the pain will laugh through you. That was so philosophical, guys. I should just. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna put this one. All right. If I delete this, will that go away? Okay. I don't know what went wrong. I really don't. Um, I mean, it's back, so I guess that's good. I'm gonna try to do the same thing. I mean, I'm gonna extend. I have to extend this now. Wait. I really show explosion. Wee. Can I just take this and put it on the other one? I don't know what went wrong. I mean, this one's fine now. Uh, okay, that's very odd. I would delete that. Yes. Okay. That was very odd. I'm gonna just save it as is. Okay. So what we basically did is that I did this off screen, but maybe next time I can do it on screen. I can do this whole thing again for you guys if you want to, honestly. So we created the crane. This is the crane. This one's the base, alright, and this one is the yoke, alright. And then we got these two pieces off of McMaster car, alright, and then we assemble it together, and we made sure that it has like a motion, basic motion, just like this. Um, which I will show you how to do the mates for that. I don't know. I only did the motion and the drawing on this video. And honestly, I think I could have done it so much faster if I wasn't doing the live stream. But maybe next time. Like that. Okay. And then we made the video, which we have right over here. Alright. And we also have the drawing. Alright. I think that's it for me today. Actually, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm just so nitpicky with this. Oh, she's not gonna see it and she's gonna... I might actually decrease the scale for this. I don't like this. Ugh, I know I changed the scale, but now it just doesn't look right. I mean, it's fine for you to feel like this way about your scale. Nothing is set on stone. Set to stone. And then, okay, I can say that. Okay, this one, I'm gonna delete that because I don't like it. I'm gonna just hide it. And I don't know why it's having a hard time showing. I might. If I delete this, it might delete the table. Okay. It did not. That's good. I think I'm just gonna put this again because it's not working. And I'm not really a big fan of how it looks right now. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay. And we're gonna show explosion. And then we're gonna delete invisible. Okay, we should still delete invisible lines. Del, so I just press the del key. Don't know. Is it because I changed it on the... Where's the extension? Okay, I'm actually getting sick of this a little bit. I might actually just go back and just, like, submit whatever I have. Because the bolt is there. Just, I don't know why it's hiding behind it like that. Oh, it's because I messed around with it. Goodness. Wait, I can't control Z any faster. Oh, goodness gracious. I have to do this all over again. Okay, this is messing around. Me messing around with, this. It's kind of messing around. Here. I'm just gonna make it like that. And then see how that looks. Okay. Oh, goodness. That was such an easy fix and I just messed it. As you guys can see, I'm not an expert, but here I am learning. I'm just gonna... Here, I need to explode it. Explode, show explosion. Okay, now you can see it properly. Oh no, I'm gonna turn it back to one to the ratio of 1 to 3. Yeah, because I like that more. So you do that. I was gonna end this live stream like a few minutes ago. At least it's fine. My data's good. Um, everything is fine. You know, that's the stuff you say to yourself. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Okay. Now I need to do the bubbles again. Oh, my cat scared me. Say hi. She's trying to be friendly. Ah, please don't. Oh, the mic was closed. Well, my little baby came on my thing, closed my mic, but yeah, she's literally sitting with me right over here.
Holy shit.
All right.
I like that, though. Did the people come for you? No, that's insane, bro.
All right. So let's do that.
Putting yourself
I'm
in there.
gonna. My cat is now chilling with me on my desk. Hi, baby. And we're almost done. Oh no, she's leaving.
Something else. Skirt.
Ugh,
Hello?
I'll just change. No, I have to actually go through them. Ah, it's okay.
No, regular.
It's okay, Riley. I'm Joy. Guys, please tell me to not do my corny jokes
That's
anymore.
impossible. Look here.
Okay, we need invisible lines need to be deleted.
Look.
Or like center lines, you know. Do we have any of those here? I'll probably just do that. I deleted the balloons. I deleted the balloons.
I think
Goodness gracious, I'm deleting the balloons.
Milamba.
Uh,
You mean the podge? Or not, sorry, from here? Or Metamolis? Harrington, bro? For what? For what? For
okay, and then this one is two. Two. two.
Lapage, Lapage, I'm taking this class and I'm yawning and sleeping the whole time, bro. The
Alright,
kid is so
four.
he yaps way too much, and then he just makes the damn class so boring. Like I
Alright,
can't do it.
five.
It's
Okay,
just
I'm done.
so
Alright,
bad.
recommendation. Don't mess with your motion in your assembly, because then it will mess with your pick drawing. And if that happens, just put it back where it was supposed to instead of deleting your whole entire drawing. Or I didn't delete the whole entire thing, but still. Anyways, I will be down. I'll put my student ID, and I will be downloading it as a PDF and submitting it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll be creating more CAD videos, or CAD live streams. I'll be doing CAD on live. Um, Hopefully they're better than this. This was just me bullshitting around. So, alright.